Hi everyone, this is Srinath from Federation University. Today I'm going to discuss about my project, a system design for e-waste collection warehouse. And the start date of our project is 27th July 2020, and the end date is on 17th of October 2020. The duration taken for the for completion of this project is 80 days. And this is the promo video. This is the promo video URL which we have uploaded in the YouTube, which has a brief explanation of our project. These are some. I would like to thank some of my uh, I would like to thank some of my stakeholders. The main ones are the project coordinator, Dr. Bilal Chowdhury, and the supervisor, Mr. Mansur Raza, and the client career DC, and few of my team. I would like to thank even my team members and colleagues in the tutors. My team members are Sai Krishna, Sunanda, and Shweta Reddy. They are actually the introduction of our project is it is a extra the e-waste management is a existing electronic in the existing electronic world. It is necessary to use the capacity of the electronic devices for the customer satisfaction with all the applicants, and the computing devices are frequently used with rapid mechanism. The management of electronic waste is most important to reduce the problem in the existing system and create technologies where millions of applications of disclosing the substance are necessary to create the impact of the ecological systems. The functionalities and the impacts of the various data systems are deployed with smart functionalities where the technical advanced electronic techniques, the electronic items and goods are disposed and of where whenever it is used and create a marketing accomplishment. The use factors of the e-waste management sector is associated with the energy recovery standards, material recovery standards, and the location of the data structures, and collect the waste from the owner. The purpose of our project is the waste management technologies are associated with the national waste management, where all the strategies and objectives of applications are associated according to the provision of the health care management system. The minimum of the Oh, it is not. The purpose is nothing but the reused electronic waste materials via deployment and recycling, and providing online services to the customer, and decrease and providing the proper awareness of e-waste. This is the main thing. We have to make some awareness in the public, in the society, about the e-waste, because e-waste it's going to be a bigger problem in the future. Updating the statistical information about the problem and the e-waste material, effectively managing the e-waste like criteria and processing, preventing the pollution and logically degrading, also associating to secure the information such the economic and the social development technology will promote and ensure the development of the waste services, because all the land contaminate system and the risk of the harm can be reduced to improve the health quality system. This is the main thing we have to do in the basic thing. The composition in the waste management system will effectively report and plan the existing technology according to the impact of the environment management system. It has all to set and secure network systems which all created effective outputs and does not create any harmful to the network management system. These are some of my individual contribution: product vision, user stories, BPM management, prototype design, the document preparation, guiding the entire team, project demonstration, and the project write up. Sorry. These are some of my user stories. The user stories are the customer. As a customer, we can order, or if we want to contact the customer service, it will be able to fetch the customer service number from the application. It will be able to call the customer service by clicking the button in the system through the mobile. It will also be able to select the location of the e-waste type, quantity of the place, It is also used for placing an order and placing a request for the pickup of order. And these are some of my user stories. This is the BPM diagram which I have worked on it. The BPM diagram is nothing but a business process modeling. It stands for business processing modeling, and that provides a graphical notation for a specific business process in business process. And it is based on the flowcharts, UML and the active diagrams. The objective of the BPMN is the support is a support of the business process management. Both technical users and the business users, by providing a notation that is to the business user. BPM is designed to create create an effective interface for the visual through the business flow structure. To design a business process model, firstly, it is necessary to consider the factor and requirement for implementation process. In our model, the smart warehouse management system are designed with the collection of the waste, because the waste its systems are used for the recycling and also adapting for the multiple processing system. The applications are also used with e-waste warehouse management system, where it can reduce the manpower, and the commercial space is associated with the data technique such that it is easy to pick up and adopt and improve the warehouse efficiency. The application systems are associated with the programming language, such that the recycling of all materials and the association of the system applications are carried out to improve the efficiency of the warehouse system. And these are the prototype designs which I have designed for our project. Uh, our main application of e-waste collection is to collect, always store, and deploy the effective criteria of the database system. Collection of the waste and deployment it in a particular functionalities are mostly needed to evaluate the network management protocol system. This prototype design is mainly of the login page, admin page, and the customer ordering, placing an order, and the cards and the payment process. And the development of the web design technology of the e-waste management gives its application of the collection of the e-waste. If a customer uh, request for pickupping of e-wastage from a certain address, we can just go over there and just pick it will be notified to the driver, and the driver will go and pick it up from the customer. And he will be first he will be checking in the warehouse whether we have a certain space allocated for the e-wastage which he has booked. If we have a space, the driver will go and pick the delivery, and uh, he will just deliver it in the warehouse. These are some of our prototype pages. This is our home page, the login page, and in the selection of the e-waste types. And this is our payment and the cards which we after selecting a pickup or anything, it will go back to the cards, our orders. And this is the payment process. Some of the challenges which as a team we faced are the challenges acquired while designing the database application of as-is model. To be model is created with complex application system, error association with creating of the BPM. The important findings what I have found in this project is e-waste generates a rapid incrementation of electronic output, and the waste is recycled in the formal management system, and the combinations of gases and toxic materials should be reduced, and the vulnerable attacks may also affect the production method. These are some of the findings which we have found while doing this project. The improvements which we have done in this project is we had a The implementation is carried out with effective changes as this model is modified by making necessary changes, and the 2B also as the operation 2B are also operated to the design structure. We made some necessary changes for the prototype designs with the help of our tutors. We have made a few of the corrections in our improvements in our project. They're creating a business process flow image to define the exact database system and create a Gantt chart system and overcome all problems in domain application. This is the report content cover. The report content covers all the content of the data system, and documentation should be covered all information related to the e-waste management system and the structural way of documentation. Stepwise for stepwise formation is created with the efficient flow. The main aim of our project is to increase the rapid technologies and to discharge effective output system, and the improvement of the e-waste technologies are provided to increase the health management problem and all that hazards are infected with the toxic substance which are discharged with the environment management system. The main goal of our project is to recycle the with the help is to sorry is to just recycle the method help to create the business opportunities and provide the recycle system with efficient efficient electronic optical system and all the safeguards and the authorities to improve marketing shares and the higher recycling people to create efficient e-waste output technologies. Electronic recycle methodologies will save unnecessary dump and increase the fluctuations to create efficiency. The greenhouse emission gas and the toxic substance which are entering into the environment waste are organized with efficient electronic combination process which gives efficient output according to the combination of telephones and computerized application system. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and save the environment. Thank you.